Hey guys, Eric Rodriguez here with ReviewTheInside.com, and today I'm in the back office of a product called Brandfy. Brandfy is a cloud-based creator studio, or design studio if you will, for helping you design anything that has to do with digital marketing. As you can see, it'll help you do logos, business cards, and slogan generators, and any kind of social media post. And I will show you exactly how it works, and I'll design something for you so you can see how fast it'll take. And as I show you, you do not need any kind of technical skills, I promise. Okay, so in the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free, come over to facebook.com/reviewtheinside and shoot me a message. And if you have any questions with online marketing, if you just want to vent, you want to tell me a joke, because I love jokes, feel free, talk to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, how do I get Brandfy? Now, you can come over to reviewtheinside.com, where I did a full review, and I will show you everything that you need to know about Brandfy. Now, as you can see this counter here, what that means is that I have some exclusive bonuses that I'm going to give you once you purchase Brandfy. Now, what are those exclusive bonuses? I am going to include bonus number 1, which is Traffic Sniper. I'm going to show you some exclusive targeted traffic sources that not very many people know about, and it's going to be paid and free traffic sources. So this is definitely going to be a very helpful tool / bonus for you, so you can make some extra cash online. Bonus number 2 is guaranteed SEO rankings. What I mean by that is that I have a very expensive software that will scan any page that you have and shoot out a detailed report to show you exactly what you need to do to improve your rankings. The software does guarantee, as long as you follow the detailed report, it guarantees for you to be on the first page. So it's very, very powerful, and I'm giving that to you for free. Now, bonus number 3 is a Fiverr step-by-step how to sell on Fiverr and how to be successful. There's certain ways and certain things that you need to do on Fiverr to be successful. Now, why am I giving this? It's because with Brandfy, you'll be able to design anything very professionally and quickly for anybody that needs this kind of service. And if you go to Fiverr and you go and put logo designer, any kind of graphic designer, anything like that, a good quality one is going to be anywhere from $50 to upwards to $200, $300, $400, and you could do this within minutes. So you could definitely make a lot of money with Brandfy and incorporating my Fiverr step-by-step guide on how to be successful with Fiverr. And then bonus number 4, of course, is going to be the vendor bonuses that I'm also going to include, that you'll find this anywhere else as well. And I will go over those as well to tell you exactly what you're going to get from the vendor. Now, I'll go into the dashboard here with Brandfy. Again, it's going to be a cloud-based design studio. Now, you'll be able to design logos, business cards, slogan generators. Use social media is for square an image, a cover, stories, post. With ads, you could do image ads, square ads, banners, and also with video marketing, your YouTube thumbnail. Now, this includes all types of images and icons that you can use, and it is for free. All right, so that's that. And then my bonuses will expire from the time that I'm recording this video, 5 days and 17 hours. Now, this program, Brandfy, is going to be launched and open for purchase on Monday the 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is US New York time. All right, so be aware, put it in your calendar, and so you could go ahead and purchase the Brandfy product, and also to include your bonuses. Now, the longer you wait, the more it will be costing, because in the first few hours it's going to be $24.95. Then after that, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it's only for the first 5 hours, which is on Monday the 15th, it's only going to be $24.95. Then it goes up to $67. Now, the next level, if you will, or upgrade, you could do Brandfy Pro, which is $27 a month, which will give you new templates each and every month, new backgrounds, elements, icons, etc. So you're always continuously getting new updates each and every month. You could also do Brandfy Agency, which you could create unlimited Brandfy accounts for other marketers. Now the special highlights, there's no tech or design skill needed. Don't need Photoshop or other complicated editors. It's going to be very, very simple, as I'm going to show you very soon. You don't need to waste hours searching for a good designer on freelance sites. You don't need to wait 8 to 14 days for designers to come back and only for you to hate the actual design, and then you got to send it back and go back and forth with edits. Been there, done that, and it's very time consuming. You don't need to pay any monthly fees. It's instant access with a one-time payment to date, and it's all backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you could always return it, so you have no risk at all. All right, and again, you'll get the bonuses. Bonus number 1, Traffic Sniper. Bonus number 2, guaranteed SEO rankings, and then the step-by-step Fiverr setup, if you will. And again, how do you get here? You could simply go to the description below and click the link that will take you over here to reviewtheinside.com, and you could click any of the links here, any of the images, or any of the red buttons to get Brandfy before the time runs out and gets super expensive. Okay, so you definitely want to take advantage of it as soon as possible. All right, so back to the dashboard. So let's do something easy. Let's say your YouTube thumbnail. Now you could do a live builder. Live builder, all that means is that it's going to start from scratch. So you could, put your own background. You could put your own text. It has images for you. See, you have some images that are already pre-populated, or you could also upload your own images that you could go to Google, or if you have an account with a image program, you have different icons that you could use. You got arrows, business, dialogue, emojis, if you will. You have sports. You have all kinds of different things. Just depends on what the subject of the design that you're doing. Then it also has templates that you can use, which is pretty much 90% of the work is done for you. All you have to do is just change a few things. So you could use this template here. You could change it. You could use this one with the donuts, traveling places, reserved animals, get trained jungle. So you can use any of these. Let's say this one right here. Let's use this one. So as you can see, it's already pre-populated, and all you have to do is just click on the section that you want to change. So social media. If not, then you could just put, let's see, right here, you change the text. You could put the inside, then we'll make it smaller a little bit. Boom. Then the sub headline, you could put whatever you like. I'll put our slogan. Then inside, the truth. Here you could change the text color. You could change it to any color that you want. You could change it to red. You got black. You could also, when you put other images as well, as I can show you here, let's say, boom, this image here, you could put it on top of it, and then you could also send it back, which it'll be behind the first image or the first icon that is there. You could bring it back to the front. You could do all kinds of things. It's very, very simple. As you can see, it's already pre-populated, and it's already the dimensions for you to use for the YouTube thumbnail, and or you could do business cards or anything that you saw as I showed you in the previous. Here are all the icons again. Business, let's say money, we all like money. You could make it any size that you want, drag it to wherever you would like, and again, if it's on top or if you want to send it back, bring that to the front, bring front, send back. You can do whatever you want. You can make it as however you get creative, however you want. You could do the background. You can choose any files. Again, you could change the text here. You got your font family, background. It's very, very simple. As you can see, I could design anything within minutes. Like, let's use this one right here. Look, it's right now it is 436. So let's use this 436. Got this guy here. No, I don't want that. Let's remove. Let's put this girl here. Change that, make it a little wider. Boom. And there you go. And then we can change the background if we want. Come here. Let's see. No, the city. There you go. You see, very, very simple. I know it doesn't look that good as far as, you know, all the things, but I just wanted to give you the best idea, you know, just get you a detailed demo, if you will, of this Brandfy product. And as you can see, it's very, very simple. Look, it only took me 1 minute to make a YouTube thumbnail, which sometimes, you know, if you're using, you know, Pixlr, Photoshop, or whatever other program that you use, sometimes it could take you 30 minutes to an hour just to make a thumbnail, which is ridiculous. You know, this is definitely a big time saver. We could go back here. That was the YouTube, and you know, you can build logos. As you can see, I mean, it's very, very simple. You know, you could come in as soon as you buy. You could go ahead and you come in here. You could play with it, make your own business card, slogan generator, do your stories. You know, for Facebook and also Instagram, whatever social media that you want. You know, and be very creative and look professional. You know, give yourself an image. You know, first impression is everything, as they say in business. If you're running ads, you could do image ads, square ads, banners, and again, YouTube, thumbnail, and everything is pre-populated and the dimensions are there for you. So again, just click the link below in the description here if you're watching this video on YouTube, and it'll bring you here, and you can get the bonuses by clicking on any of these links that I have, or the red buttons to get Brandfy, and I will include your bonuses, which again are going to be 3 bonuses, which is bonus number 1, your traffic sniper, guaranteed SEO rankings, your Fiverr step-by-step guide, and then the vendor bonuses. Now, once you purchase Brandfy, all you do is send me a screenshot of the receipt with proof, which is proof that you purchased the Brandfy. I will verify it and I will send you your bonuses. Okay, all you have to do is send it to Eric, ERICK, at reviewtheinside.com once you purchase that. And also, if you have any questions at all, even, I mean, you don't have to purchase it as of right now. Just send me an email, or again, just come over to Facebook/Review the Inside and come over and talk to me. You know, I'm here for you. I want to help you as much as I can, and you know, so we could both be successful. So just to let you know, don't forget, you know, it's going to launch on Monday, which is the 15th at 11 a.m. You want to get it as soon as possible, because then the price will go up. You know, there's no waiting. The price will go up. And then after that, you're only going to have, as of today, which is the 13th, you're only going to have 5 days and 17 hours to get my exclusive bonuses. If it's past the timer, which is on the 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, then I'm going to take down the bonuses and you're out of luck with the bonuses. But you'll still get the vendor bonuses, of course, because those are the bonuses that you will get from the actual vendor. So just keep in mind, put it, if it's before Monday, put it in your calendar. Make sure you're here early and grab your Brandfy account as soon as possible. All right, so there you go. That is my full detail. You know, if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I will answer them as soon as possible, as much as I can, as thorough as I can. And again, my name is Eric Rodriguez with reviewtheinside.com, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.